Laundromat How To. Doing a few changes in one of my stores, and we had some tile down, you can see over there. It's really hard to keep clean. There's a bunch of different options now. What we're looking to do is just go back to just the smooth concrete, a bit more of an industrial look. We put up some of the checker plate panels in a few spots. So had to deal with a few things. One is getting the old glue off the floor. The other one is the black mastic. We got some stuff for that. I'll do a video on that later. But the other part we found in here is we knew there was some patchwork in the concrete underneath, but it was pretty rough. So while we're here, we dug up the really rough stuff, and what we're going to do is just cut in a floor drain here. We've got our concrete anyways. I knew the drains were in there, so it's just a good chance to get in and get things cleaned up. So these pipes here, that one just dead ends an old P-trap. That one dead ends an old P-trap up there, so we can take all this out, put a floor drain and a clean out, and be able to get into this big header pipe down here. So, while you're into stuff, just be prepared if you peel up a floor and there's some stuff there needs to be patched up, or it's a good time to cut some drains. Keep a plumber handy and have them come in and get it done. This will keep the neighbors happy. I've flooded them out a couple of times because there's just no floor drains in here, and we just couldn't get it cleaned up fast enough. So it's a lot cheaper to put this in than it is to call Servpro again for the business next door. So just some hints and tips, and any comments, let me know. LaundromatHowTo.com.